Ever since I picked up a camera, I've always had a deep sense of exploring human emotions, connections, and expressions. There has always been this unsettling desire to go one more layer into the lives and moments that stands in front of my camera. It was never just about taking photographs. It was about immersing myself into the different cultures, colors, and landscapes of India. Photography gave me a passage to transform my thoughts into reality. I've always felt powerful in seeing and observing India through my camera. Kolkata, my home, is where I picked up a camera and began to see the world different through my lenses. Then there's Delhi, loud, fast, alive. Every corner is a new frame. Agra, for me, is where history and symmetry meet. And then Rajasthan, the colors, the grandeur, the people, it's every photographer's dream. The scenic beauty of Ladakh, so quiet, so vast that you start hearing your own thoughts. With your camera, a little even more. There are countless festivals of India, pure moments of culture, beauty, energy, and colors. India has endless stories to tell. Through my workshops and tours, I get to share them with photographers from all over the world. We explore, we learn together, and we create photographs that capture India's essence so that these moments can stay with us forever and ever.